Hello my friends, welcome to Trading with KS. Today is 26th of August 2023, so today is Saturday. Okay, so everyone was focusing on this yesterday, Jerome Powell's speech, right? Okay, on the Jackson Hole Symposium, which is the gathering of a lot of the central bankers, these world central bankers, okay, so they were holding a meeting over there. So actually, what happened? What this Jerome Powell said was a bit hawkish. Okay, so the news was this one. Okay, the news came out Okay, U.S. stock pair gains after Fed Powell say prepare to continue raising rates. Okay, so there is he got a slight hawkish tone. Okay, here. Okay, what is what he said .
We are prepared to raise rates further if appropriate, and intend to hold policy at a restrictive level until we are confident that inflation is moving sustainably down toward our objective, Powell said in his speech.
Okay, so what happened in US was that the GDP is still strong. Okay, the inflation slightly returning. Okay, going higher. Okay, going back. Okay, how do you call it? Rebounding. Okay, the inflation is after a big drop. Okay, after a big drop from 9% back to 3%. The last previous numbers came out was increased. Okay, means 3.2 increase to 3.2 means inflation is slightly going back up with a strong job market. Okay, with a strong job market, with this GDP, strong GDP, all this, right? So actually Fed got a window to increase some more. Okay, this is what the market is fearful about now. So they expect market expect the next one, the September one, they will not increase. Okay, so Fed will wait. Okay, but after Fed, I think after September is an October meeting. I think there are a possibility that they might still increase one more time. Okay, to make sure that this inflation don't return, don't actually spike up again. Okay, so market is a bit fearful okay, after this meeting. That's why you can see in the market, you can see US dollar was weakening on Thursday. Okay, then Friday suddenly, okay, it's starting to get stronger again. Okay, so that's what happened to this Jackson Hole. A quick overview what happened to this Jackson Hole. Let's check out the quick introduction first. Disclaimer: be advised that I'm not a professional trader or advisor. I am sharing my trading journey for entertainment purpose only. Any opinions, news, research, analysis, price, or other information contained in this video is my own opinion and does not constitute investment advice. I will not accept liability for any loss or damage, including, without limitation to, any loss of profit, money, asset, or any valuables which may arise directly or indirectly from use of information in this video. Trading foreign exchange, indexes, stock market, futures, commodities, energy, precious metal, etc. carry a high level of risk, and please trade on your own research and assessment. Please seek advice from a professional financial advisor for your trading needs. Okay, today we're gonna go through the local market and the global market and take a look what is going on. Okay, of course, if someone, right? Okay, you, me, anyone that want to be a long-term professional investor, or long-term investor or professional trader, okay, that create long-term income out of this stock market, all this, right? You cannot be just waiting for reminder tip. Okay, I'm not saying that tip no good, all this okay, but you cannot just depend on reminder tip, on news. Okay, depends on friends tip, all these things okay, to survive. Okay, you have to learn kung fu that can give you long-term winnable strategy, winning strategy in the long-term market. Okay, in the long term. Okay, you cannot expect to every time I just hit the lottery every time to survive so you have to learn the kung fu. Okay, for me, I learned to, of course I also listen to all the news, right? Okay, but okay, my main tool is that I learn to see the chart. Okay, from the chart I know I can see a lot of things. I can understand a lot of things. I can see opportunity, danger, sentiment, and history. Okay, with these 4 things I know what I'm doing. Whether I'm chasing high, I'm buying at a low price. Okay, I am chasing. Okay, I'm watching for a breakout, means a sudden injection of momentum from this institution want to push up the stock. I can see it from the chart. Okay, I can see the breakout. Okay, I can see a failure of breakout. The breakout came back down. Okay, a trap. Okay, so we can see many things from the market. Okay, don't jump in. Okay, don't to the market everything without learning any kung fu and expect that you heard one tip. Okay, you make a ton of money every time. The tip is going to make you a ton of money so don't expect that if like that, if it works like that, right, every stock investor is millionaire already okay. So no need to do any study, no need to do any homework and all these remisiers don't need to go to all those special tests. Okay, special course, they have to go through course, right, and have to go to test all these things to certify them as a remiser, right. So they have to go to a certain qualification, in order to be a remiser. So that's why there is a requirement. There is things that you need to learn before you know how to read the market, right. Okay, let's look at KLCI weekly chart. Okay, let's see weekly. Why we want to see weekly? Because we can see longer term. Okay, longer term. Okay, let's see the weekly. Okay, weekly not so good. We have a pin bar here. Okay, we have a pin bar here. We do have a little bit of a dark cloud cover. Okay, so we do have a pin bar here. So for now, because this pin bar doesn't happen at the top of it does not happen at the top of a uptrend. So this pin bar is not very powerful. Okay, this pin bar is not very powerful. A powerful pin bar is when the price is going up, then we get a pin bar. Okay, then this is powerful. Or the price is coming down, then we get a pin bar. Then this is powerful. Okay, but this is not a very powerful pin bar, but this is still a negative sign. Means it's not very strong. Okay, since it happened at the sideways, okay, so we still, the most important play level is still we have to watch the support and resistance. Okay, because it is not happening at a peak. Okay, so we are still in a sideways market, so there is still there's still no indication of a big momentum up or big momentum down. Okay, even go up, it could be just small momentum. Okay, so we until it break through these two levels, 1436 for a continuation of a downtrend, or it breaks above the 1460 for a uptrend uptrend momentum change. So this is, we can say this is still a sideways market. Okay, this is sideways market, not weak, not strong. Okay, look at small cap, mid cap already broken through so mid cap, the momentum to go up is stronger. Okay, in the weekly chart. On the weekly chart, small cap, yes, small cap is going up, but small cap got a big resistance there, 15,791. Okay, so it might get stuck here for some time. We have to wait a bit. Okay, so let's look at the sector. Okay, so KLCI is still sideways. Means okay. Construction. Okay, construction is very strong, rebounding from this trend line. Okay, so construction might have one more push up before starting to slow down. One of my indicator. Okay, hold on. Okay, so there is after one more push, I think it might start to slow down. Okay, it might start to slow down. Consumer. Okay, consumer, we're heading to year end, and no doubt we have a slight broken of the trend line here. But as long as stay above 554, I think long term is slowly creeping back up. Okay, I think consumer is a time for consumer to start to pivot up lah. Okay. Energy we got some rebound here, but I don't think energy will be very strong due to the energy price coming back now. Okay, finance. Okay, as what reported from this investment bank lah. So a bank might have one more leg up lah. Means we will have a retracement over here because there's divergence, right? So there will be a drop first, but I think it's heading upwards towards the end of the year. Okay, after a drop, I think it's going up again. Healthcare, okay, healthcare, we really have to talk about healthcare. Healthcare, I think for now, healthcare is finished already, KO already. Okay, KO, why? Why there is a KO? Why I think healthcare is KO? Okay, we just don't simply just listen to news, all this. We do our analysis. Okay, we see what there's potential. This is a head and shoulder here. Okay, and where's the neckline? Okay, here. Okay, so the head and shoulder neckline has been broken. Okay, so it indicates that this one might even move slower, even move lower. So as it moves lower, it has already broken the uptrend. Okay, this trend line, this uptrend trend line already broken. So most likely, okay, this uptrend already finished, already done. Okay, already done. Okay, already KO. Okay, so it would be, it looks like it's coming back to here, 1582. Okay, it's coming to 1582. Okay, and I think the long-term trend, okay, I think the long-term trend is heading downwards. Okay, and also we have to double check the weekly. Okay, what happened to the weekly? Okay, you can see, right, weekly RSI rejected at 50, now coming back down. Okay, so I think this looks like this healthcare is KO already. No more. The uptrend that all this, okay, this uptrend already been broken. Okay, we can confirm it Monday, Tuesday. If it's drop again, then I think it's broken. Okay, this industry okay. Industry might come retest 166 still okay. Plantation, we know there's no momentum, it's sliding back down. Property, we know it's very strong. Okay, property, okay, we already did the measurement. We think it's coming to 835 or even possible to 862. Okay, so property is the strongest. Construction, property, bank now is slowing down a bit, but end of the year, I think still got chance. And utility is always strong. Okay, REIT is coming down. Technology, I think technology is also difficult to hold. Okay, we know that the US technology coming down. So this one, okay, we got a kind of head and shoulder over here, so it's coming back down. Okay, coming back down. Okay, we got a lower high, look at this. Okay, lower high, okay, lower low. Okay, so looks like it's heading in a downtrend. Okay, looks like it's heading for a downtrend. Means this uptrend, okay, this uptrend, okay, already broken. Okay, not good. Telco, we know that no energy, okay, no momentum. Transportation, yes, slowly is heading up. Okay, it slowly is here. We can draw a trend line over here. Okay, so it slowly is heading up, but not very strong. Utility is the strongest. It just fly since March. It just fly. Okay, nothing can stop utility. Very, very strong. Okay, let's go to the global market. Before we jump to the global market, don't forget to support the channel. Okay, don't forget to support the channel. Don't forget to like. Okay, show your support, like the market. Okay, don't forget to subscribe. Very important. If you're first time watching my video, hit the bell and also click the subscribe button. Every day got video. Okay, and don't forget to share this with your friend and leave your comment. And if you want to open a trading account, let's say you want to buy local stock, you want to buy US stock, you want to buy Hong Kong, you want to buy Singapore, you can try this CGS-CIMB. Okay, this is a legal platform approved by our Security Commissioner, SC. Okay, so this one, CGS-CIMB is one of the top platform in Malaysia. Okay, you can invest Malaysia, Singapore, Hong Kong, US stock. Okay, also the important thing is you can open an account online. You don't need to go anywhere. There's a form at the bottom there. Okay, at this video there's description. There's you press the more, there's CGS-CIMB, you click CGS-CIMB, there's a form, you fill in the form, submit. My friend, this CGS-CIMB reminder will call you out and open an account online. Okay, so the reminder is very friendly one. So you any question, you got any problem, you ask him, he will sure help you. Okay. Okay, if you want to buy Bitcoin, you want to buy Ethereum, you want to buy crypto, down there there's a link also. There is a Luno. Okay, you use my link to open Luno. Okay, open an account through Luno. Okay, Luno is all online. No reminder, nobody will call you up. Okay, so you just go online, register, and this Luno will give you a token, something like a bonus. I think now it's more than, used to be 25. I think now it's over more than 25 ringgit. Okay, when you buy Bitcoin with using, after you open an account and you buy Bitcoin, he will give you I'm not mistaken, I think 75 ringgit bonus. Okay, you use my link you don't use my link, you don't get it Okay. Okay, let's go through the global market. Look at US dollar first. Okay, US dollar broken out. Okay, so US dollar broken out. Okay. This is strong. Okay, US dollar broken out from this downtrend pattern. Okay, as long as stay above 103, it is strong. Okay, I can tell you it is strong. And US dollar is strong means what? US dollar is strong is not good for stock market. Okay. Look at Australia. Okay, Australia is a support. Okay, it just cannot go through 7. It just got problem holding above 7.378. So now it's a support might be small rebound, yes, or you break down, then finish then it will continue drop. Okay, look at FTSE. FTSE, we know that it's moving inside this triangle. Okay, inside this triangle, so slightly bearish this triangle is moving downwards. Okay, so it's slightly bearish. See whether it breaks above or it breaks below. Okay, if it breaks below means finish, it's gonna drop even further. If it breaks above the triangle, then maybe it can reverse itself Okay, Hang Seng, Hong Kong. Okay, so Hang Seng is coming down so we use Hong Kong Hang Seng to have an idea what is going on to China market also so we kind of hope that there is a head and shoulder that it breaks through, then we might turn around but it did not Okay, so it's still coming down. Look at German DAX. Okay, DAX already hit a peak here, slowly is sliding down Okay, not strong. US semiconductor index. Okay, semiconductor hit I told you it cannot sustain this momentum for long. Okay, this FOMO last minute chasing high, so finally coming back down Okay, so there's some support on Friday, as I said there's a pin buy here. Okay, RSI already got rejected by 50, doesn't look very good. Nasdaq also okay, Nasdaq even worse. Okay, you see Nasdaq retest okay, this a channel okay, the channel it broken below the channel, retest, and we got bearish engulfing okay, yeah, we got bearish engulfing, almost a bearish engulfing so it is sure looks negative to me okay, looks like it want to go down then go up okay. S&P also we got big bearish engulfing you see okay, so this is also a bad okay, not a good sign okay, looks like it's coming, you want to come down to 4186 For Nasdaq probably you want to come back to 13755 okay, Dow Jones. Okay, Dow Jones is testing the support over here. Okay, so now we got one bearish big candle. Now it really broken through support, but it's still testing this area. It's not to say it's KO. Okay, but it does not look good Okay, it's trying to break down here It's trying to break down here. You want to wait and see what happens So it did not happen this one the head and shoulder this one because this head and shoulder did not happen at the bottom so it's not that strong you have to understand okay, it have to happen at the downtrend this happened at the sideways okay, but it did make the market push up a bit but it looks like momentum gone. Okay, looks like let's look at crypto. Okay, crypto as I said, Bitcoin okay, we got a kind of head and shoulder, and we see a breakdown over here. So I expect not to say I expect lah. Okay, I anticipate that there is a possibility that Bitcoin might come to 20,000. Okay, due to the break of this trend line and this head and shoulder kind of pattern. Ethereum, okay, as we said last week, okay, a head and shoulder breakdown, so we are targeting, I'm looking at 1,191, okay, this area. So for if I want to collect more, these are the area that I will be watching. Because as I said we are collecting at 20 to 30 to make sure we are in the position we are in already. Okay, so if crypto suddenly take off due to the spot ETF being approved, all these things, the Bitcoin spot ETF being approved, then it fly, so we are left behind, so we don't left behind, so we position ourselves at 20 to 30. It's not cheap, okay, but it's not expensive yet. Okay, you don't want to wait for the spot ETF to approve, go to 40, 60,000 last time, chasing high, then only even jump in. Okay, so you position there first. But due to this US increase this interest rate so fast, so high, 5 point something. Okay, there is a possibility that something will break. Okay, means US economy will break and a recession come in. So there is a possibility of a very cheap Bitcoin. Okay, possibility, no guarantee, possibility. So that's why I say we already position in. We are happy already at 20, 30,000. Not very expensive. Okay, at least we get some. I'm not saying Bitcoin sure earn money. Bitcoin can go to 0.1. Again, I tell you, Bitcoin can go to 0.1 because it's not regulated by central bank. Okay, by any government, any bank. Okay, so controlled by all these bank okay, government so it can be manipulated until go to 0. Yes, okay. So but we are positioning at a low price, not extremely cheap, but a low price. But there is a possibility of we see there is a possibility more and more likely, okay, of a global recession. Maybe US no, but global recession probably will also make Bitcoin quite cheap okay, but no demand okay. So China is doing so bad. Okay, China is doing so bad. Europe is not doing well also. Okay, because of war, all these things. Okay, only US is extremely strong. That's why the world haven't go into the big global recession. Okay, so what if suddenly US crack? Okay, a crack in US, everything will drop. Then we might get a Bitcoin that is below 20,000, 10,000. There's some saying 10,000. Okay. 4,000, 5,000, maybe 10,000. If we get 10,000, so we will go one more in. Okay, the final one, if it drop to 10,000 below 20, okay, then we will go for one more position. Okay, doesn't matter if we already went into 10,000, it dropped to 4,000 also. If you still got bullet, you can still take. Okay, but no bullet, never mind. Okay, at least we already get a position that is very low. Nobody know how low it will go. It might go to 0. Okay, then you lose all the money, but potential it will happen. So you have to, when you invest on all these risky assets, you have to play with the money that you can lose. Don't play with the money that you cannot lose. Because this is high risk investment. We are not investing in a high probability a company that every year pay a lot of dividend, make a ton of money. Are we investing on those? Yes, it's okay. Important money you put in is okay, but as I said, don't invest on the money that you have to bring food to your family, or don't use those money to invest. Even though you buy into the very secure company, buy the bank stock, let's say, but also don't. Okay, excess money, yes. Try to invest excess money. But if you know how to see chart all this, you've got kung fu. No kung fu, just buy those dividend stock. Okay. Dividend stock, how to find? You just type there. BURSA top 10 dividend stock, just buy those stock don't need to play. it will come out okay, now we are looking at this so if it drop to 16,000, 10,000, let me see 10,000, I think it's a pandemic low okay, it's a pandemic low, is 3,000. I don't think you can go to the 3,000 the COVID low I don't think so okay, I don't think it will go to COVID low. I think if I test this low, 16,000, this low, I think potential. Anything can happen. Just leave one more shot at a low price, as I said. Ethereum also, okay, Ethereum, okay, might fall back to this 1,000 ringgit, $1,000 lah. So we have to wait and see lah. Around $1,000 area lah. Okay. Litecoin. Okay, Litecoin also broken the triangle, so Litecoin is coming back to 42, I think, possible. SRP also after the hype coming down back to earth lah. After the rocket fly up to here, 90 cent no fuel now coming back to 30 cent, I think. Okay, look at commodity. Commodity, we know aluminium got head and shoulder here. It can't go anywhere. Okay, it's just sideways or probably sliding down. Steel is still dropping, but looks like still got some, maybe a small momentum coming back up. Okay, maybe a small momentum coming back up lah. Okay, still there is a slight positive because what? Because now China is trying to stimulate the market, okay, by cutting rate, all these things lah. So if China managed to stimulate the market to rebound a bit stronger, then still maybe have a short-term rebound. Okay, crude palm oil is just sliding down all the time. Copper is just going nowhere, just still sliding down. Gold, okay, gold, still lower low, lower high, still gold is not flying anywhere yet. It's still is here, okay, lower high, lower low, okay, so it's not going anywhere lah. Okay, it's not going anywhere. Okay, look at silver. Okay, silver is still no doubt is went up quite a bit these few weeks but you see it's still on a downtrend channel don't expect it to be extremely strong it's still inside this downtrend channel so don't expect to be too strong. Crude oil okay, they are, as I said, market is preventing it to go over 83 lah. Okay, so we know from the chart we know, so it's still sliding between 73 to 83. Look at US stock. Okay, Apple already crashed. Okay, now it's coming down. Okay, we don't have any sign. You see all the bankers red color, no more. Okay, no more. So don't expect with this style of smart MCDX it can fly unless we see a big one coming next week But I don't see it I think it's slightly slow. I think it's sliding down back to this channel top, maybe 166 area AMD. Okay, AMD already came down quite some time so I think slightly is sliding down also. Okay, it's sliding down also. Okay, Broadcom we got a dip, now we got a push up, we got a big bearish candle. I think Broadcom also coming back to this 653 likely. Amazon. Okay, Amazon is very strong due to the report, very strong. Okay, the earning report very strong, but it's still after the hype, everything. We got gap. You see, it already covered the gap already. You see, it already covered the gap already. And seems like it want to come to 121. I think. Alibaba also sideways only. Okay, no more energy. Google. Okay, Google is still strong, but we got divergence here. I think we will not be far lah. We will not be too far ahead. That is starting to break down lah. Okay. Grab just sideways. Okay, Grab recent report come out no good Okay, they're still losing money I think. Take a quick look at Grab. Yeah, still losing money. Quarterly, they're still losing money. Grab is still losing money. Intel. Okay, Intel does not have a big drop because Intel just recovering from a very low point. They are not Broadcom. Intel is not AMD. Intel is not Apple. Intel is not Nvidia. Already fly very high. It's just starting to come back from a low because the recent demand on AI chip, all these give them some hope okay, for recovery. But Intel has been beaten, by all these semiconductor, Nvidia, AMD, all these really give Intel a headache Intel is slow, okay, to respond. Only their server chip is still good The desktop chip desktop chip, probably AMD is a champion. Server chip also, this NVIDIA is chipping away their market share because now all moving towards AI server chip. Definitely you are talking about NVIDIA. Graphic chip also NVIDIA. Like Intel have to step up to the game. Okay, Microsoft already reached very high so Microsoft already reached very high. Okay, really at a very high point. Okay, so you see we got a break of this trend line already. Okay, looks like it's coming down to 291 very likely. Micron, okay, Micron just holding this channel okay, still okay, uptrend. NVIDIA, okay, NVIDIA, you see after the big news come out, after big spike up, what the institution do, they start to throw. That's why, okay, that's why all these retail kena go and buy the high. Okay, but you see this NVIDIA actually bought back their own share, don't know how many billion, of their own share. Means they still think it's cheap, buy back their own share, So as I said, NVIDIA could, I think short term it will have a retracement, but I think long term NVIDIA will still go higher, okay, because of the domination of this AI chip. That's why coming down to the channel bottom line. You see channel, right? Very simple, right? Simple, right? Channel. Okay, after it hit the top channel, coming back to the bottom channel, right? Okay, can it still rebound? I don't think in the short term. I don't think in short term it will be very strong. Maybe small rebound, yes, but I don't think. Zoom report actually quite good. Okay, so it's just making a bottom we have to wait. As I said, Visa is still on a slow uptrend. Okay, but it's slowing down already. Bank no need to talk bank, because US bank slowly getting all the bad rating okay, credit rating all the big bank also is the next one might get the bad credit rating okay, a drop in credit rating, so don't expect US bank, all these bank will recover okay, for now. Okay, that's it for our Sunday video. So don't forget, subscribe, like, share, and comment. Okay, support the channel. Don't forget to hit the like and leave your comment and open account. Don't forget CGS-CIMB or Luno. Okay, support the channel. See you tomorrow. Bye bye.